She loves it. She loves the good guys. Ayan. So talagang, feeling ko gagamitin niya na agad ito bukas. Wow! Isang ride naman dyan. Oh, sige. Sige, paano sa... Ayan. So, magagamit talaga niya yan every time she has projects. Ayan. So, we are pretty much, we think that talagang grateful si Bianca about it. So, mamaya ka na mag-thank you sa kanila. Bibigyan kita ng chance.